So if there's anyone here. Hi, who's up here? I saw the meter light a little bit. Can you turn that light off too? Wow. I hear something around me. Who's here? Oh, thank you for lighting that meter. Can you do it again? Thanks for turning the light off. Hi, who is that on the stairs? I see you're there. So what's your name? Can you say it to this box that I'm holding? Say it really loud. Wow, look at the meter. If you can do that, can you try to touch those balls there? They're in the bag. Who is that? Is that Melanie? The meter's still lighting. You can also turn on the light for yes, or light up the meter. There's someone standing there. Hi. Is this Melanie? Wow, look at the meter. Can you turn on one of the other lights too that are next to the meter? I have to go. I don't really have a lot of time. Thank you for answering me, and you're doing a spectacular job lighting the meter. Wow. Is General Jackson nearby right now? Stonewall? Can you hear me, General? The meter just stopped as soon as I mentioned him. Oh, thanks for turning the light on. So who turned the light on? Was that you, General? If it was, turn it back off or say yes. Thank you, sir. Hi, General. The camera's acting weird. Yes, he's with us. I feel honored that you're here, sir. Are you happy that I'm here? You give me a sign. Camera cut off. That was bizarre. There's the meter. Thank you. All right, I'm going to say goodbye. Can you say bye? I'll be back to visit. Don't worry. Yeah? Thanks for turning the light off, sir. And Melanie, is that you too? All right, well, goodbye. Oh, how weird. Are you standing right here? Give me a sign if you are. Thank you, sir. Wow, I can feel that there's someone here. Did you say I love you? Do you hear the static on my radio? Did you say I love you? Who said that? Can you say your name before I go? All right, well. Oh, wow. Okay, you're right next to me, aren't you? I gotta go. Just leave it silent for now.